It is very rare that you get a second chance in this life. Even more rare, you get a second chance in this real estate market here in Midtown, Wilmington, North Carolina.
Well, a second chance is exactly what you're going to get if you're in the real estate market, especially here in Midtown, Wilmington, North
It
Carolina.
was almost to the day, 30 days ago now, that our agent, Beth Churchman, and I literally hit send on the listing of the Midtown farmhouse. 2 hours later, the very first person that came to see the house absolutely had to have it, fell madly in love, made a full price offer. We went undergo. Apparently, she had looked at just about every other house in town for months, if not a year, prior to seeing this one, and nothing really did the trick. She walked into the Midtown farmhouse, and like the clouds parted, a rainbow formed, choirs of angels began to sing. She had to have it.
So naturally, we were quick to oblige, and we went through the entire procedure. Went through the appraisal, it appraised, went through the home inspection, handled any small items that were on the home inspection. That's all handled, ready to go, and it was like closing day. We were heading to the attorneys yesterday.
So you can imagine the whiskey tango foxtrot moment Sarah and I had when we found out that the husband of the couple all of a sudden needed emergency heart surgery. Life changed. They were unable to facilitate the closing. Sarah and I were like,
Their loss, your gain. The Midtown Mid-Century farmhouse in Wilmington, North Carolina is back on the market, and I suspect we'll have a similar reception once new buyers come see it. Make sure it's you.